Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make some strawberry lemonade as well as some delicious grilled cheese. This was just an easy, simple lunch I made the other day, so let's get into it. We're going to make the strawberry filling. I'm adding some water to some strawberries and I'm just going to blitz it right down. Don't add too much water to this step, just enough to get your little magic bullet or whatever you're using to break down the strawberries. Next, I'm going to make some lemonade, old school style. If you want to go out and buy lemonade, or if you have lemonade, or you have a machine that makes your lemonade, that's fine. But I'm doing it old school. And look, y'all, I finally got a lemon presser. I know y'all got tired of me using my hands to press my lemons and limes. Now I'm gonna add my sugar and my water. I know that looked like a lot of sugar. It was only a quarter cup, and I'm using a bottle and a half of water, as well as this is gonna go on top of ice, so it's not too sweet. If you want to add honey, you can use honey. For the grilled cheese, I'll be using sourdough. You can use the bread that you prefer. However, I suggest using a sturdy bread. So I know a lot of people, they like to put the butter all over the bread or mayo. I just melt the butter down. I'm using the heat level is medium. I'm on 5.5. I'm then going to put the bread down, add my cheeses, and I'll show you a quick tip that I do to get it nice and perfect golden brown. Alright, so this is the tip. I use a lid that's smaller than the pot to put right on top of the sandwich. And what it does is it push it down and just make it nice and even golden brown all across the entire thing. The same thing like a panini press would do, but I don't have a panini press, y'all. So, I use a skillet. Like, look at that. It's perfectly golden brown straight across. Alright, so while the other side is cooking, I'm going to put the drink together. First, I'm going to put some of the strawberry puree on the bottom just like this. You don't really have to do this. You could just go ahead and mix the two together, but I wanted it to look kind of pretty, so that's why I did it this way. But again, y'all know I'm extra. Just do whatever y'all want to do. But do it this way. Make it cute for your guests or your spouse or whoever you're cooking for, even if it's for yourself. Next, I'm going to add the lemonade right down on there, and look how pretty that is. So pretty. And then I'm going to add even more of the strawberry puree on top, and that's it. So now I'm just going to go check on my grilled cheese. Alright, so now I'm just going to slice this up and I'm going to let y'all hear the crunch. I know someone somewhere is screaming right now, why is she cutting that off? But I'm just putting it to the side, y'all, don't worry. See, I saved the crunchy bit for one of y'all. But this is what the lunch looks like, you guys. Just easy, simple grilled cheese and lemonade. That's all it is. Some days you just don't feel like doing nothing. Do some grilled cheese and some lemonade and you good to go. It's filling and it's delicious. So I'm going to take a bite of this so you guys can hear it. However, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.